Okay, this video is a tutorial of how to set the FCBC church thermostat. In order to set it, we need to go into program mode, and we'll press the program button one time. In the next screen you see here, it tells it how many different zone or a time zone you wanted to set it to, from 1 to 2. And we're going to set it to 2. In order to keep 2, you just press mode. Now we're going to set the temperature for the occupied 1. This is the cooling temperature. We wanted to set it at 78, which is already 78. You press up and down to get the 78. And then you press mode again. Now this is the heating temperature. We want to set that at 64, which it is. So we'll press mode again. Now for unoccupied, when the church is not being used, we want to set that at 80 for cool and 62 for heat. And we press mode again. Now we come to the day of the week. Monday, we select, we go ahead and take Monday. You can switch it from Monday to Tuesday or Sunday, Monday. We're going to start with Monday. Okay. It starts at 7:45, but this time could be anything because it's going to be turned off anyway. So we're going to set that at 8. And we're just going to make this 8:15. And notice that this is off here. So that means the occupied 1 mode is going to be off. So we're actually turning off the occupied 1. We don't need occupied 1. We press mode again. Occupied 2 is set at 80 for the cool, 60 for the heat. It starts at 2. We can make it 2 to 2:15. It doesn't make any difference because we're going to turn it off. Notice that this is off here. So for Monday, nothing is going to come on. For Monday, the whole day, it's going to be off for Occupy 1 and Occupy 2. So in other words, it's going to be unoccupied all the time. Press the mode again. It asks you, do you want to copy this same program to Tuesday, which we do. So you press yes. You press up for yes and say copy and hit mode. Now you ask you, do you want to copy it for Wednesday, which we do. Yes, so we press mode to keep it. Thursday, also know when it's going to be at church, so we're going to copy it. Yes, we're going to copy. Now, do we want to copy for Friday? We do not. So we're going to leave this no and press mode again. Okay, notice that it's Friday. We're programming. It's come on at 4 for occupied 1. 4 to 5. It's a short time because I think because it's off. Okay. I'm just going to turn off 4 to 5. So there's occupied 1 is not even going to be on. Occupy 2 is going to be at 75 degrees for cooling, 65 for heat, and that's going to come on at 5 to 10. Press mode again. You see that right there as it's on? So 5 to 10 is going to be on. Do you want to copy that for Saturday? No, I do not. I want to review Saturday. So Saturday, 8 to 4, it can be 8:15. I'm just going to make it 8:15 because we're going to turn it off anyway. You notice it's off? So 8 to 8:15, that occupied 1 zone is off. Occupied 2, temperature doesn't really matter because we're going to turn that off anyway. 72, 65, 3 to 6, it doesn't matter what the time is because it's going to be off. Do I want to copy it for Sunday? No. Let's review Sunday. 8 a.m. is going to come on for occupied 1 to 9. We don't really need it to come on, so we're going to set it to off. Okay, for occupied 2, we do want it to come on. We want the temperature to be 75, 65. We want it to come on at 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. You notice it's on, so occupied 2 is going to be on. And we're back to Monday. We've already done Monday, so we don't need to go any further. So we hit program again to stop the programming mode. And in order to put the thermostat into the program setting, in other words, it'll roll through with the time. It'll roll through the occupied 1, 2, unoccupied with the time. We need to be sure the mode is always shows either occupied or unoccupied. If it shows off, that means the thermostat is completely off. We don't want that. This means it's constantly on. We don't want that. We want the program mode. We don't want that. We don't want the auto. Okay, right there where you see it's occupied, that's what we want. So that's why we want to leave it. Okay? Sometimes when you come in here and you want the fan to come on automatically, to manually turn on the fan, because sometimes the fan doesn't come on, you just have to hit the fan button here one time. And now the fan will come on and stay on. And you have to automatically turn this off. You have to manually turn this off. It won't automatically turn off. So someone's going to always have to turn this off. And that's it.